think it's a good suggestion. I have an idea that I want to do for that. So Hina, you know, keep on coming back, keep on contributing. I might do something around that later on, but I'm already set on doing a robotics series after this series is over. And sometimes what I'll do is I'll maybe take like a 1 or 2 week break in between series, and we'll still meet, but you know, we'll still just kind of talk about, you know, like other things, or like 1-day tutorials, right? But yeah, you know, I'm kind of already set on doing a robotics series after this one. Yeah, you know, sometimes during those single series, you know, it's also good to just talk about different things, you know, talk different frameworks or different things that people want to talk about. You know, the PyTorch people usually come in here and tell us about how they're losers and, you know, their life isn't going well and how they can improve things. So, you know, we do a little bit of group therapy for that also. So, you know, it just depends on what we'll do on future series. Denelson says, thank you so much, Sir Dennis. As always, amazing content. Oh, thank you so much, Denelson. I'm just trying. Hope you're still driving safe out there. Casual Economist says, I feel like I learn more when I'm not making crazy comments. Yeah, but you know what, guys? All crazy comments are welcome. So Lord knows that I have my own crazy comments that I make and my own biases that I express on here. And that's okay, you know? It's supposed to be an open forum. This is a safe space, guys. This is a safe space for everybody. Beat Round, welcome. I think it's your first time. I love data and learning by myself through tutorials, and I love your channel as it's practical. Where do I start from? NN was difficult for me to follow. Okay. So Beat Round, if you go to my channel, in my playlist section, I have a playlist on the Introduction to Statistical Learning book. That would be a pretty good place to start because that's more of a machine learning book. And it's kind of hard to transition into neural networks if you don't have a really solid foundation on neural networks, on machine learning in general, excuse me. So I would start there, okay? But thank you for your honesty. You know, I'm sure you're not the only one. I think other people, you know, might be shy about expressing that. But yeah, I mean, I'm putting this stuff out there for you guys to kind of help measure yourself. You know, because like I said, I would expect the level 1 data scientist to be able to do virtually everything we covered, right? Like, and some of these questions I would 100% ask on interviews. So yeah, so if you're able to show maturity like Beat Round here and take an honest assessment of yourself, then this is a pretty good measure of, you know, where you're at. Denelson says, still out doing errands, but this session has made them very enjoyable, though I didn't take my earphones, so I had some people turn around when I was next with the stream on. Wow, that's crazy. So the stream is being heard while you're out doing errands. That's crazy. That's pretty cool. For some reason I find it to be pretty cool. Of course, now you're gonna have people thinking that you're just listening to some crazy man who's talking about PyTorch and mothers that don't love them or something. So I wonder what they make of that. But yeah, guys, so great session. Really happy with it. We did this. I can't believe you guys made me go for more than 2 hours. I'm an old man. What are you guys doing making me go for 2 hours? That's crazy. But thanks everybody. As always, you know, I love the fact that I have followers from all over the world, but it makes me worried for you guys because, you know, we live in such a crazy world. So please, you know, take care of yourselves, take care of your families, and I'll see you guys next time.